आपको लिए चलते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी युवाओं से संवाद कर रहे हैं और क्या कुछ कर रहे हैं, सुनते हैं।
Village program. That was the greatest moment in my life, and where I created so many memories. And here, while starting from my native place Chittoor, there was some fear inside me. Like the lifestyle there was very new, and the climate, food, culture, tradition, whatever it is, very new to us. But after reaching Harshil Valley in Uttarkashi, the interaction with the people and the warm welcoming of the officials was completely changed in my perspective. And we also interacted with ITBP officials also. So here we interacted with them, and I saw their discipline, humility, and dedication, commitment towards the nation, which made me proud to be an Indian, sir. And here we just met a local people, like in Harshil Valley, though such a cute and sweet people they are. They welcomed with a lot of they took care and shown love to us, and they just gave me an aloo paratha, which was very new to us, and we just saw new type of foods there, and we had different cultural activities also, sir. At the same time, and we had a convo with some ITP My Bharat officials there, where they took care of us, and we stayed in one homestay in Mukwa, where the birthplace of Ganga Ma. The interaction with them, people staying in home, that was very nice to us. It touched my heart, sir. Just in these 7 days, we felt like I am staying in my home only.
भव्या गारो, पिछले साल मार्च में ही मैं उत्तराखंड के मुखवा गांव गया था।
Oh.
और
Nice,
अब तो आप देख करके आई हो, सचमुच में बहुत ही खूबसूरत गांव है। अच्छा, मैं जानना चाहता हूं, क्या आप लोगों ने गांवों में अपनी उम्र के युवाओं के साथ मुलाकात की? उनसे किस तरह की बातें, उनकी क्या जिज्ञासाएं थी, क्या जानना चाहते थे?
Yes, sir. Before that, I want to share that one thing in this beautiful part of this program was we met different young people from different states. We spoke different languages and came from different culture. But within few days, we became close friends and like a family. Here we came as strangers, but left as a one family, sir. That is the real vibe of India. And at the same time, here people often say India is diverse, but in this journey, I really felt it, sir. And coming to the youth in Harshil Valley, we met different people through my Bharat registration drive. Here they interacted with us and they treated me like their own sister, sir. And they just they showed love to me and just give some flowers to me also. And we just interact with them, and they asked me that how you came here and what was the process, and I explained about my Bharat to them, because I have personal experience from my friends, sir, because we visited so many places in these 7 days of program, and I shared the pictures, beautiful landscape of Neelang and Jadung Valley, beautiful apple orchards. I shared the pictures in my Instagram, and it has huge response from my friends. And here that was created major FOMO from, like, they started fear of missing out and started like, how you went? And I just explained about my Bharat, and someone said like, how lucky you are, and said, I am so jealous of you, Bhavya. You left without us. Like that, the people are messaging me, and I said, I just shared the link to you, but you are not showing interest. But now they are after this thing happened, they just logging into my Bharat also and said, next time I will came with you, sir. This is the interaction we had with youth and my friends also, sir.
आंध्र में तो ठंड होती नहीं है, वहां तो ठंड बहुत होगी। उस ठंड में कैसे रहना हो गया? इट मस्ट बी वेरी कोल्ड देयर। और दूसरा, वहां सूरज बहुत जल्दी निकलता है, सनराइज बहुत जल्दी होता है, तो कैसे मैनेज कर रही थी आप?
Yes, sir. We are the people living in 30 to 40 degree of Celsius, but here in Harshil Valley it was 5 degrees Celsius, sir. We just feel there was a little bit fear inside me. How are we gonna survive there? And after reaching that, but some of the like my birth officials give some kit to us to like jacket, whatever it is, and there was the different type of clothes was there, sir, to wear. And but it's not like there is not that much different because there is some bed sheets and cloths which was made by woolen, and we also visited some handlooming places.
तो युवाओं से